Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video on how to upload assignments to Canvas. So I've got my assignment right here. I'm gonna show you the easiest way first. So there's my phone. I'm going to find the Canvas student app. You're gonna have to download that from your app store. When you go to find my school, you're gonna search for Iowa City, and there you go, Iowa City Community Schools. So you click on that. From here, it's gonna look just like your computer logging in. So you'll click on Canvas student and teacher logins. I don't have a login like that. I have to use my Canvas teacher login here. So I'll be right there. I will show you what it looks like from the student view though. So we're going to do this in geometry just for today. So I'm going to go ahead and open up student view so you can see what it looks like for me again. And we'll go into geometry. Click on my home page. You're going to get the same home page you get on normal. And I'm going to go ahead and turn in 1.1 practice. So I'll just click on that. Now what you'll notice here, you've got this submit assignment button right at the bottom. I can click on that. I've got some options between website URL and file upload. I'm going to upload a file. And you probably don't have a file just sitting around on your phone, but what you do have is this camera option. So you're going to have to allow it to use your camera. Now, what's really important here, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this, but when you're taking this picture, on your, maybe, it's not going to work like that, but you just take a picture of your homework. And I'm going to take a picture up here. What you want to be really, really sure of is that it's all visible. So if it's not visible, you need to hit retry. Some very good suggestions here. Make sure that you are holding your phone directly over your paper. So if there's my paper right there, I'm holding my phone directly over it. Horizontal, paper should be sitting on a table and your phone over it like that. Make sure it's well lit. And then just when you're done, make sure that, I could read that. If I can read every answer, then you're probably good. If you can't, then you're going to need to retry that. But from there, say that is a good picture. I'm going to hit OK. It's going to be right there like that. Now I need to do one more thing. Make sure you hit submit. If I have more things that I need to add, I certainly can do that. I can take another picture and add another, if it's more than one page, I can add another one. If you already got pictures on your phone, you can use that gallery button there to find those pictures on your phone. Honestly, I have no idea what that last one does. Try it, see what happens. But then you just hit submit. It's going to say it's uploading. And congratulations, you turned in your assignment. Now, you still have the option to resubmit if you need to, but you shouldn't need to. Another option, if you don't want to use the Canvas app, but you happen to have a smartphone, if you have a smartphone, use the Canvas app. It makes this thing so much easier. But if you don't happen to have the Canvas app, another good option, sorry, I'm hiding my, there we go, Google Drive. You can always go in to Google Drive. Hopefully you have like a geometry folder, but you can take a picture that way. If you log in on this with your school district account, that's going to make it so much easier. Same deal, take a picture like that. Now when you go back to your assignment page, it'll be in your Google Drive, that picture will. So you can go to, I'm going to go back to student view on here real quick. It's thinking. And you're already in student view, so don't worry about that. So if you go to do it that way, if you've taken a picture using the Google Drive app on your phone, if you have an Android, it's already there. If you have an iPhone, you can download that app too. But when you go, already submitted, right? When you go into here, what you can do is you can actually say, I want to pull an assignment from my Google Drive, or I want to pull a picture from my Google Drive. And it's going to say, hey, use your account. It'll probably ask you to authorize it the first time. But once you're in here, then you can find in your drive, hey, look, I took this video again. I'm doing this a second time. So, hey, there's the file that I want to upload. I'm going to attach it. And there you go. I can submit that assignment. So there's two good options for turning in assignments right there. But again, if it's me, if you have a smartphone, use the smartphone app. It is so much easier than anything else. If you don't have the smartphone app, then the webcam on your computer is going to be the easiest way to go. It's really your only option if you don't have a smartphone, but it does work. Again, just make sure that the picture is legible so that I can see it and I can actually tell how you're doing.